How to lock or unlock file and folders on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further delay, let's dive right into the video. First, locate any file or folder that you want to lock or unlock. After that, right click on that particular folder. From this window, click on Properties. A new window will appear where you need to click on Security tab. Now select Administrators option. Click on Edit button and now choose Administrators again. And here you simply need to check mark all these deny boxes. Once you have done that, you need to click on the Apply button at bottom left corner of the screen and click on Yes button. Once you have done that, close this window and you have successfully locked your folder. If you want to unlock again, right click on that particular folder. Go to Properties and go to Security tab at top right corner and choose Administrators option again and click on Edit. And from this page, you need to make sure that you uncheck mark the Deny box. And once you are done with that, click on Apply button. And after that, you will successfully unlock the particular folder from your desktop. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.